Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset camera preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and I hope that you can see those grid lines. I've applied them before I've started the recording because I'd like to show you a visual evidence that the reset option will work, so basically they should disappear. Now all we have to do is to tap on this 4 dots icon in the left lower corner and go to the settings. So just tap on this gear icon. Here, I'm not sure if you can see anything. Yes, you can. So here we have to simply scroll down to the very bottom actually to find the option Reset Settings and tap on it. Then tap on Reset. And as you can see, the grid lines are not visible, which means that we just successfully reset all camera preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.